What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a declutter and organize video. So I am going to be doing a budget-friendly declutter and organize of my master bedroom closet. So this is kind of a long-awaited video because I know at the beginning of the year I talked about organizing it and decluttering a lot of my clothes and things like that, and I'm just now getting around to it at the beginning of March. But at least I'm doing it. So I do want to mention that I have teamed up with Yord watches, and what Yord watches are these very unique wood watches. They're so beautiful, they're timeless, they're super classy. I absolutely love them. I've been seeing them all over social media for probably about a year now. What they do is that they'll send you the sizing chart through your email, and you just print it off. You'll cut the sizing chart and then you'll wrap it around your wrist and they will size it there for you. And we're actually teaming up to do a giveaway to you guys, and one lucky winner is gonna win a watch that's worth $180. So that's super exciting. And then also we're gonna have a discount code offer down below in the description box, so you guys can get a discount code if you wanted to purchase a watch on your own. So this giveaway is gonna run until next week. Just make sure that you comment down below. I'll have all of their information down there, and we're gonna go ahead and just get started. So this transformation is also budget friendly. I spent no more than $40 for the things that I'm gonna be using to transform my closet. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the items that I got from Ross, Dollar Tree, and Walmart, and then I'm gonna show you what our mess looks like in there. So I went ahead and I'm going to do a little bit of a pink, black, and white kind of theme, just kind of make it a little bit of glamour in there, kind of, because it's a closet and I'm just thinking fashion, I don't know. So anyway, and then I went ahead, I got 6 of these. Obviously, if I don't end up using all of these, I can always take them back to Dollar Tree, get credit to buy something else there. They're really cool with that, but I probably will use this for our things because we have a lot of stuff in that closet. And then here are the 2 just some pink baskets, some over-the-hook door clips, little diamond, just kind of like fashion. And then I got some of these from Ross. And then these were from Ross, Dollar Tree, Walmart. So, yeah. All right, so this is how it is when you walk in. It's a mess. We have all kinds of things on the ground, and that is cluttered up there. Got some hats. We got my wedding dress. I need to do something with it, decide what I want to do with it. There is just a lot of junk up here. All right, and then my side's super bad, you guys. So this is like where I keep all of my clothes. I don't know. This is where like my husband's clothes or bottoms were, and then I ended up migrating some things over here. Still got Christmas wrapping paper, bags on the floor, shoes. Those are like empty bottles that I was going to do like an empties video like 6 months ago and never did, and then decided I'm just not going to, since I always show you guys in hauls what I get anyway. So I'm going to just throw those away. Yeah, so that is it.
Touch me. It's crazy how you've lost it. Oh baby, stop calling me dumb, dumb, dumb. It's none of your business. I'll run, run, run. When did you quit being fun, fun, fun? Should have known better. I'm done, done, done.
Stop and say this is last year's vision board that I had made. I think I even did a video on it like January 2017. You guys might have to go look, but don't look because it's probably a terrible video. But yeah, anyway, so I had like my dream lake house, and I did get like a house with a pool, so that was accomplished. We ended up buying a house with a pool, got married, we're working on our muscles. That is my old vision board. I thought I would share it with you guys real quick, get to know me a little bit more.
Baby, don't touch me.
Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take the clothes out because because I'm going to throw these clothes on my bed and then we're going to go through the ones that I want to keep and get rid of.
When did you quit being fun, fun, fun? Should've known better. I'm done, done, done. Nothing can faster than all the disaster. Ooh, baby, stop calling me dumb, dumb, dumb. Should've known better. I'm done, done, done. Faked it, leaving naked. Ooh, baby, stop calling me dumb.
Here's what I have down here. This is the mess that I have accumulated and need to clean.
Baby, stop calling me dumb, dumb, dumb. Should've known better. I'm done, done, done. Faked it, leaving
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong.
Alright, I'm holding the big old camera right now, but I am all finished and I'm about to show you guys the aftermath. It looks amazing. I'm super happy. The aftermath, this is all picked up, everything. This is going to go in the garage. This is all trash, just junk. And then these are the donations. I'm donating some jeans, some tops, some purses, and then more bags. And then this coat over here, beanie, and this bag of gloves, that is going in our winter container in the garage because that is just our snowboarding stuff and we don't need it here in Arizona. Dun, da, da, da. I'm just giving you guys a little look-see. So I'm going to go ahead and start over here in my husband's stuff. Basically, there's his helmet, his motorcycle helmet, all of his things here, and some shoes, some pairs of shoes that he keeps in the closet here, and then he keeps the other few pairs that he has downstairs by the front door in our little shoe rack. And then that. So his clothes, I have color coordinated all of his clothes, and he loves it, I just have to say. We'll just keep that in here, the little pull-up bar, just because stuff has to go somewhere. And then here are all of his pants and shorts, color coordinated to the best I could. And then here's mine. So let me fix this a little bit. I keep my black leggings and my workout clothes inside my drawers in my room. I'm going to put this mirror up on the wall, and I might put the vision board up there. I'd hate to just throw it away. I really believe in vision boards, and I didn't make one this year, but yeah. And then the subscribe pillow is just sitting there for now. Then all of our hats are up there. So those are all of our hats. I just kept them there. Oh gosh, I forgot to clean out this area, you guys. Oh geez, I gotta go through there. But those t-shirts are honestly probably gonna go into his drawer because all of his like t-shirts, actually he might need to go through those because I don't even think he's touched this in like 6 months. So I really love the door hanger. It hangs our belts and my big purse, and then just some different robes and stuff. The only thing I shall say about these diamond stud type hangers or hooks, you can't hook your belt on it the way you want. So I just kind of have to flip it over like that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start from here. From here, I color coordinated all of my clothes. So we have beige, whites, blues, to dark blues, and then we have greens, reds, gray, and then blacks back there. And then up there is just like some photos from my mom. She just sent that box of photos, and then like some other stuff from like when Isaiah was little, just like a photo keepsake box. Up here is all of my wedding stuff. Some of Shanam's things are in there. Random more keepsake stuff. So I kept my handy stuff out here. So basically I use this every day, this lotion. Let me turn off the automatic. These are my headbands for when I work out, which I use every day. So those types of things will go here. And then this is just like jewelry or little knickknacks will go in there. And then in here I just have like my business cards, a thing of tape. These are like little refill things from Bath and Body Works that go in my car. Handbags in this one, and then here I have like my just random stuff, honestly. Minnie Mouse ears.
And go teasing out my birthday cake, okay?
Okay.
And make my birthday teasing them, okay?
Okay.
That's mommy's clothes. That's all that's clothes in my room.
Oh, okay. So then I went ahead and put like pajama shirts or just t-shirts that I wear around the house right here in this basket. And then in here is my like girdle or whatever you call those, and bathing suits. Just things I wear once in a while. Like I barely touch these. So I don't want to keep these in my main like drawer, my underwear drawer, because they'll just get in the way and I only use them once in a while. Then these are scarves. Then these are my boots here that wouldn't fit in this. So let's pull this out. No, no, no. So anyway, these are where all my flip-flops, flats, and heels, all of those types of things, I just roll right from underneath this shelf. So that I think is so cute. I got that from Ross. All right, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video and got something from it, or just enjoyed watching my journey of decluttering and organizing my closet. If you guys wanted to check out Yord watches, don't forget to check out my description box. All the information will be in there, and the information to actually enter into the giveaway, which is going to last for a week long. I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Go ahead and leave us any kind of like tips down below in the comments that you guys have for organizing your closet. I would love to hear them. I'm sure other people in our community would love to know any ideas or tips. So I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.